There's a reason why the RZ HD is one of the most popular machines in the entire market today. It's because of the comfort of the machine, high-end seat system, radial tires, 7-gauge deck system, commercial scalping wheels, commercial idlers, commercial pulleys, and the big thing about this machine is got Parker transmissions. The Parkers are a direct drive system. They don't have a gear reduction, so they're extremely efficient, takes less horsepower to operate them, so then your deck gets the extra horsepower. They're the best in the entire industry. And so we decided to put it on our RZ HD. To have them on this unit for the value is just unheard of in the market. So when you're driving this machine, comfort is unbelievable. You can fully control the machine. Weight distribution, handling on inclines is unbelievable on this machine. If you get a chance to go by a dealership, drive the competition, see what they've got, come by, and you'll be blown away by the Spartan RZ HD.